So today I'll tell you what gerund is. Gerund is the present participle or infinite with ing form of the verb that performs all the functions of a noun. In other words, it is capable of serving as subject and object of a sentence. It is used after prepositions such as on, to, without, etc. It is also used after some verbs. It is also used after certain expressions. It is used after verbs or adverbs preposition combinations. Let us, however, discuss many after the other. Gerunds after preposition. The rule of grammar states that, whenever a verb is preceded by certain prepositions like about, for, by, after, of, without, to, on, with, etc., the gerund form must be used. Examples include, Joy insisted on seeing her boss before going on her annual leave. Mary sees everything and talks too much. She is clever at telling lies. I have no objection to listening to your story again. Now to gerunds after verbs are used after the following verbs: stop, finish, dread, detest, avoid, prevent, risk, admit, deny, recollect, resent, delay, postpone, defer, enjoy, keep, understand, mind, consider, miss, involve, resist, anticipate, and so on. Examples include, try to avoid walking late at nights. She enjoys drinking palm wine. Evelyn dreads growing old. Samson detests writing letters.
I really appreciate this. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.